How to turn on quiet mode on Instagram. Well, that is what I'm going to show you guys, and it's pretty quick and easy tutorial. So if this video helped you out, let me know in the comments, and yeah, let's get started. So what you basically want to do is click on the top right corner once you are here on your profile, on these three lines, and open up the settings and privacy. Now once you are here, you want to scroll just a little bit down until you see... Wait, no, actually, it's here under the how you use Instagram section, under the notification section. So if you click on there, and then here you should already see quiet mode here at the top. Now, if you do not find this, or if you cannot find this, I mean, then you just got to make sure that your app is up to date. So you can go to the App Store, which looks like this. And if instead of the blue open button, it says update, then you got to make sure to do that first. Now, second, if you still don't have this option here, then that just means that your account may not have like the newest version of the settings yet. If your settings don't look like this, you probably don't have this yet. I do believe like 99% of the people already have this, but Instagram is just weird with these updates that sometimes, you know, it just isn't there. But basically, once you click on quiet mode, you want to enable this. You can set a time basically. So it says start time and end time, and says you can turn it on for up to 12 hours. So I believe it is, I cannot set this to, yeah, something longer than 12 hours, I believe. But yeah, so that's basically it. That's how to turn on quiet mode on Instagram. I hope this video helped you out. Let me know in the comments if it did, and then I'll see you next time.